Guarda Wallet Crypto Wallet Review. Watch before using. Welcome to our review of Guarda Wallet, one of the most versatile and user-friendly crypto wallets on the market. If you're considering using Guarda Wallet, make sure to watch this video until the end and check the description below for links to all relevant products. Let's dive right into the key features that make Guarda Wallet stand out. First off, Guarda is a non-custodial wallet, which means you are in full control of your private keys and, ultimately, your assets. This is a crucial feature for anyone serious about security in the crypto space. Guarda supports over 50 blockchains and thousands of tokens, making it ideal for both seasoned investors and newcomers who want a one-stop solution for managing a diverse portfolio. The wallet is available on multiple platforms, including mobile, iOS and Android, desktop, Windows, macOS, Linux, and as a web wallet. There's also a Chrome browser extension for those who prefer to interact with dApps. This cross-platform compatibility ensures that you can access your crypto assets wherever you are and on whatever device you choose. Guarda also integrates seamlessly with hardware wallets like Ledger, allowing you to add an extra layer of security for your high-value assets. The wallet supports in-app purchases, letting you buy crypto with a credit card or bank transfer directly from the wallet interface. Additionally, Guarda has built-in exchange services, so you can swap assets without leaving the wallet, which is a massive convenience. The wallet also offers staking for a variety of cryptocurrencies, providing you with an opportunity to earn passive income directly from your holdings. For users interested in privacy, Guarda includes a built-in anonymous exchange feature, so you can swap assets without having to go through KYC processes. Who is Guarda Wallet for? If you're someone who values security, versatility, and ease of use, Guarda Wallet is an excellent choice. It's especially suited for those who manage multiple cryptocurrencies and want to avoid the hassle of using multiple wallets. Whether you're a beginner or a pro, Guarda offers a comprehensive feature set that will meet your needs. In summary, Guarda Wallet offers a robust and secure platform for managing your crypto assets across multiple devices. Its extensive features, combined with strong security protocols and ease of use, make it a top contender in the crypto wallet space. If you're looking for a reliable and convenient way to manage your digital assets, Guarda Wallet should definitely be on your radar. Don't forget to check the description for links to Guarda and related resources.